Alright, these are word problems, so 38 and 39, and you have to be able to take words and change them into math sentences, basically, so that you can solve. Alright, if twice Tom's age is increased by 26, the result is 3 times Tom's age. How old is Tom? Okay, so let's take the first thing and figure out what's the variable. And that would be Tom's age. Anytime there's a phrase, Tom's age, we have the variable x. So let's take some more words and work with them. The result is, when you have that phrase, that's an equal sign. So, you have if twice Tom's age now is x, so let's take twice Tom's age, which is 2x, and it's increased by. So the phrase increased by means what? Hopefully you're saying addition. So that'd be a plus. Increased by 26. So let's just take that. Twice Tom's age increased by plus 26. The result is equals 3 times Tom's age. So that's easy. 3 times Tom's age. That 3 in front of the x. So they want to know, how old is Tom? Well, and Tom's age is the x. What is x is what they're asking. So now we have an expression that we can simplify. And we follow the same rules as we have done before. In this case, I'm going to take a little shortcut. Instead of moving the 26, I'm going to move this number with the variable on it over close to this number with the variable on it, because we want to be able to combine the like expressions. So 2x, I'm going to take the whole thing, which is added to this 26. So I'm going to subtract the whole 2x off on this side, and then that means I have to do it on this side. Okay, so 2x minus 2x is 0, and 3 minus 2x is 1x, because 3 minus 2 is 1. So we have a new expression. Let's bring down the equal sign, and the 26. But we no longer have the 2x on this side of the expression. We moved it over and subtracted it. So now we have 26 equals 1x, and as we know, 1 times x is x. So 26 equals x, and that is how old Tom is. For number 39, the attendance at the Sunday football game was 4 times the attendance at Monday night's game. In all, 78,000 fans attended the games. How many fans attended Sunday's game? Well, this is, you have to sort out a lot of information here. What we have is an attendance at Sunday and something about the attendance at Monday. But this is an important piece to look at. 78,000 fans attended both of those games. So, let's just take that information for a moment and type, which color should we make that? So, what we're looking at is Monday's attendance plus Sunday's attendance is going to equal the total attendance of 78,000 fans. Okay, so this is the big picture that we're getting at. So what we're really having to figure out is, well, what do we put in for Monday's attendance and what do we put in for Sunday's attendance? So we have to look at this information here. The attendance at the Sunday football game was 4 times the attendance at Monday night's game. Alright, so Monday night's game, let's say, is X. And we still keep that plus. And now Sundays is 4 times the attendance at Monday, so that's 4x. So x plus 4x is then going to equal the total that happened on both days, 78,000. So what we have now is a math expression that we can simplify and solve for the variable. So let's combine our like terms. Anytime you have an x, you can say it's 1x, because 1 times x is x. So there you go. 1x plus 4x is 5x. You simply add those numbers in front of the variable. 5x equals 78,000. So what you have now is division. Yeah, because 5 is multiplied by the x. So you have to divide to get it out. I think I'm going to type on this next piece. So 5x equals 78,000. And I'm going to divide both sides by the 5. And as you know, when you have a number over itself, 5 over 5 equals 1. So that is 1 times x. X equals 5 into 78,000. Let's look at what that would be. 78,000 divided by 5. 15,600. So 15,600. I'm just going to say equals 15,600. Alright, so the answer to the problem then is x is equal to 15,600, and you're actually not done yet. That's equal to x. So the only thing you've just figured out here is the number that attended Monday's game. And it's asking you who attended Sunday's game. So you have to take your x and multiply it by the 4. So now you have 15,600 times the 4. You're going to plug that in there. 15,600 times 4 equals 62,400. So that's how many attended on Sunday, is 62,400. So really the answer to the problem is 62,400.